So I guess it should be around 145 like that. But Amar Jaini will let us know in 2 minutes. 20 overs, 146. See that? So 20 overs, 146. So that means over 7. Over 7 the run rate is. Now I'd like to take a break and over to Raj now.
Thanks, Prashant.
Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm back again. I'm padded up for the batting, but still I would love to give commentary while waiting for batting. And it's a good news that batsmen at the crease, Jeet and Ashish, are building up the partnership, and they are facing up the score now. And Jeet is facing the batsman, the bowler, and good defensive shot played. No change to the score. Good shot from Jeet, and it's a 4 runs. It appeared to be a sixer, but it's 4 runs scored. It's 150 up for Fjord for the loss of 3 wickets in 20 overs and 3 balls. Good state for Fjord. We have good team, we have good batsmen. So if they keep going, we score good runs. It's a white ball bowled now. Score moves 1 up. As I said, Fjord has got very good players, but sometimes they shine, sometimes they get out early or don't bowl very nicely, or they can't participate. Good straight drive to the long off region and 1 run scored. So the Fjord cricket players, so when they keep going very well, all of them contribute and we win very convincingly. And at times some of the players can't come for some of the key matches and we lose. So it's the same for most of the clubs, I believe, but Fjord has got lot many players, so we managed to replace the players if somebody is not available with another one immediately. Bowler, edge, but 4 runs. It was a very good ball. Wicketkeeper dived, could not manage to catch it, but it was a difficult chance. Raman Paji is asking me that if you are not tired, then we are tired of hearing you. But as I said, yeah, and the bowler with, yeah, wide run scored. Ammar got out with a catch to the slip, and he was he's a very good batsman, and somehow he could not click today. So good ball again, and very well shot from Ashish, and I think it's 4. Let's wait for the umpire to signal, and umpire score giving 4 runs. As I mentioned, Raman Paji's comment was that if I don't get tired while giving commentary, but what I want to say is sitting and giving commentary is an easy job, and if you have played cricket for a couple of years, and of course you know all the rules and regulations, and you have heard the commentary from some of the specialists like Shah Bogle, Jeffrey Boycott, and lot many other people, then you know how to give commentary. And we have comments from Aman Paji. What's that, Aman Paji?
We have 12 players today.
We have a 12th player in the name of Akshay, and and he is taking the drinks to the pitch, and there was a joke being cracked about Akshay being the 12th man today. He wanted to be in the playing 11, but somehow we managed to get all 11 good players, so Akshay has been dropped out. So that's the joke being cracked on Akshay, but he doesn't mind. He's enjoying. I can see him here. And now Jeet is facing the bowler, and good shot from Jeet in the long on region, and 1 run scored. And yeah, regarding the commentary, then I think giving commentary is an easy job if you have a pour on your words, and you know what to say. You know the regulations of cricket. Good, well run taken from the batsman, and bowler with the next ball. Good shot from Jeet, and it has gone out of the boundary line. It's a sixer. Good score. Good sixer. Very good shot from Jeet. He's scoring very good runs. Had he scored so many runs in most of the matches, he could have won many matches. So far, Fjord's winning percentage has been 60% around. So not so good performance, but not so bad performance either. They're placed somewhere in the middle in the division. We are placed somewhere 5th or 6th in the division, and we will be in the same position, I believe, at the end of the season. 4th or 5th is the position which we will be in. So it's not a bad position because the quality of cricket being played in Division 2, Division 1 and Allied Series is the fantastic one, and that's the reason I choose to play in Division 2. And most of the players, the new ones, start playing in 4 divisions, and they bring the team up to the 3rd division. Lucky ones get through in the first year itself, but most of the teams slog for 1 or 2 years in one division and then come up year after the year to another division. So it takes on an average 1 or 2 years for each division, as I heard from the senior players. So Fjord has been there in Division 2 for many years, and as I said, we are not professional cricket players. We are professionals in our own area. Pawan Paji, who has been the senior most. Meanwhile, good shot from Jeet, and 4 runs in the spare leg region. And Pawan Paji, who has been the main bone of the Fjord Cricket Club for many years now. He's been giving comments on me that we have equal number of wickets, 19 wickets each, and there's a competition between he and me that who's going to score the highest wickets, and I choose to give it to him. He deserves a win.
Here, so that I can adjust the camera accordingly, right?
Yeah, I had a earphone, and which is taken by Prashant Dara now, so I'm without the headphone, but I believe you can hear me. And Pawan Paji is commenting that he's senior and he lets the junior to bypass him, and yes, so he lets me to bypass him, so it's a kind gesture from him, so I like it. And this is what the bonding we have when we all belong to the same culture, same language, same background, same play. So this is what it bonds us. We crack jokes at each other and understand each other completely. So this is what it takes at the end of the day winning and losing, it doesn't matter really. If you win, it's a bonus. It's a better sense of achievement you get. Usually, there is a question raised from the umpire in the field to the scorer here. It's answered now, so bowler is going to continue the bowling. Good cut shot. Point region. No runs scored. Bowler with the next ball from the generator end. Good defensive shot from Ashish. What I was saying was, while playing cricket, as I see, there are 3 levels of pleasure you get. Pleasure, happiness or sense of achievement, whatever you say, you get. The first level, let me continue about the pleasure after this ball. 4 runs scored in the square leg region. The pleasure which I'm talking about, pleasure, happiness, talking about the first level, team wins, you contribute. That's the highest level of satisfaction you get. Second level of satisfaction you get, the team wins, you're not able to contribute, but still you're happy that team won. So this is the second level of pleasure you get. And at the third level, you have good defensive shot on the left side, long on region, and 1 run scored. So at third level pleasure, we have team losing and even you are not contributing, but you have it's not a mere pleasure, but you get a pleasure of contribution, pleasure of physical activity, pleasure of spending some energy in the field. So that's what the pleasure you get. So in all, you win or lose, you have a gain. So I take cricket in that way, that being in the field, contributing, meeting people, having some bonhomie among the people, extending the brotherhood, that's what is necessary while playing cricket or any sport. Good defensive shot from Ashish. Yes. No, he should do it. So screen is being updated with the latest score now.
What is that? 23 overs?
23 overs for the loss of 3 wickets. We have 100. What's the score, Amar? 173 for the loss of 3 wickets.
Amar, Jaini, कितना है? 23 overs? 181. 23 overs, 181.
मारने के लिए बोलना चाहिए ना, विकेट्स तो है। कैप्टन खुद ने पता।
अबे हर ओवर में तो 12
बोलना पड़ेगा क्योंकि वो और भी जल्द। So I just realized that total 23 overs and we have lost only 3 wickets and we have lost many wickets now, so we can take a chance so that the batsmen can hit big shots. And I got an answer from Mr. Amrit Singh Bains, Jani, that they have been hitting and they have been scoring 8 runs per over, and it's a good shot and a good shot. 4, no, not a 4 run because there is a sweeper in the deep, and 1 run scored. So they have been hitting 8 runs per over, so as answered by Mr. Amrit, and I think it's true. So they are scoring, but we can still accelerate a little more, and I believe that we can go little. Oh, okay, it was a good try from Ashish. He went to the pitch of the ball and tried to hit it. Arey, जरूरत है। वो बैटिंग करनी है। Aman Paji was a birthday boy today.
तुम लगाओगे कि मैं मारूं उसके? Dude, मैं सबको बारी मिलनी चाहिए।
Raman Paji is a lively personality. He is commenting that everybody in feud should get batting, so we should let the players, the batsmen in the crease, go out of the crease, and we should occupy the crease. He is mentioning, and it's a lively comment, and and
Malli.
we are in a good position now, and 181 score for the last 3 wickets in 23 overs. It's a good status, and good shot from Jeet. Sixer scored. It's a 6 runs. It's a 6 run scored from Jeet. It's a good feeling to give commentary to the well playing team like Fjord. They are comfortably placed now, and I'm getting motivated to see good shots being hit all over the park, and I enjoy watching it live, and it's a more pleasure to give live commentary. And the next batsman for batting is Mr. Amarinder Singh Malhi, who is the IT administrator and who is the main brain behind this live action and live commentary. And it's a fantastic job that is done. And Fjord has been playing so nicely that we lost the ball. So you can imagine how well we are playing. We have become Chris Gayle of West Indies. No, analogically we can say Chris Gyles of Norway. We are Chris Gyles of Norway. Not by looks, but by play. And we got the ball now, and bowler is placing his field in the right position and walking towards the run up. We have some live discussion going on behind the commentary box, which you also can probably hear. White ball, I believe, is given wide, and
Hey, be careful, yaar. Sunai de.
Next ball. Next ball to Ashish. Good defensive shot played. I think they should start hitting. Why they are scoring 1-1 runs now? They should start hitting now. पानी लेके जाके हिट करो बोलो, क्योंकि हाथ तक गया उनका अभी दूसरों का बारी. I got a comment. I got a motivating comment from Mr. Amarinder Singh Malhi, who is the IT administrator and is brain behind this live commentary, that I am doing a good commentary job and it's motivating for me to continue.
Score
so I'm going to remove my pad because it's 24 overs and we have only 6 overs left, and
192. Okay.
I was supposed to be going in batting, and I think I don't get to bat, but it's a fantastic position for forward, so I'm satisfied even though I did not get to bat. So next in line for batting is Mr. Amarinder Singh Malhi, and after him I'm supposed to go, and let's hope that these two players will hit some long shots. So long so that it goes all the way out of the boundary line, and it's a wide. Wide is also welcome. All extras, all runs welcome. You know, not the other way to Fjord. Bowler, good shot from Ashish, but he got edged, and there's a chance of run out, but he missed it. Yeah, I'm giving a live commentary, but most of the time my comments are on one-sided because I belong to batting side and this live action is for Fjord. So if you feel that I'm being one-sided, so it's like Navjot Singh Sidhu's commentary while playing, and and I would love. And next in line is Mr. Amrinder Singh Malhi is going to the crease and okay, so there was a wicket. There was a discussion about being out or not out, but it's given out now. So we lost 4 wickets, but it's in good position. So I'm going to hand over the commentary to Mr. Prashant Dara because I am scheduled to bat next. So I have to just relax and move up to the batting frame of mind. So I'm going to hand over to Prashant Dara and who's going to take over the. Okay, so Prashant Dara takes some time to take a little break, water break I believe, and he's going to come back. And when he comes back, I'm going to hand over to him. It's a very well played from Ashish, and it's a very good partnership. And what's the total score of Ashish, Ammar? 31 is the total score of Ashish, and it's a very well played considering the situation we were in, and fantastic job from Ashish. We look forward to similar type of innings in future also. And now Mr. Amrinder Singh Malhi is the batsman, and neck he's facing the bowler, and he hit a good shot now in the long off region, and 1 run scored. And now we can see some good hard-hitting shots because both the batsmen are hitters. And next in line is me going to be trying to hit also. So let's see what the situation like after 30 overs. So now I'll hand over to Mr. Prashant Dara, and I will just be ready myself to move to the crease in case of any wicket fall. But even if I don't get to bat, it's fine because I'm very happy with the status of the. There was a catch, and it was dropped. There were only 1 chance of dropping, I believe, today. Otherwise, a good batting, good bowling, and good fielding effort from the Cincinnati Interlines team. I'll hand over to Prashant Dara now. Thanks for hearing me, and good luck to me.
Thank you, Raj. I'm back, guys. Bad luck for us. Like we lost Amar Malli as well. I guess it's a bad luck for me. Like I got the commentary and we lost the wicket. And now the next batsman is Raj Shetty, who was the commentator as of now. We have a very good score now, like almost 200. We are close, but we lost 2 wickets in the quick session. So it was so we are standing very good, like 25 overs, almost 200 runs. So in this ground, 240, 250 is a very good score. Because 200 is a very kind of a okay score over here, because it is kind of chaseable. Last time with Interlines we played here in Roman, we scored 192 and they scored in like 25 overs with 5 or 6 wickets down. They scored it 193 runs. So like so we are eyeing for 240, 250. Jeet is around, so the good news is like Jeet is around inside the pitch, inside the center. So we have a kind of a the score. Just a moment, I'll update the score. Jani, 25 over क्या है? 195 for 5. Yes, the score is 195 for 5, 25 overs. Yes, so our cameraman is Vikram Kapoor. Mr. Kapoor went to India and he had a very nice trip, and he's back now. I cannot show him because he's the cameraman. Very good shot. It's a cracking shot. It's going to the fielder. It was very kind of a hard luck for Fjord. He did it. It was a very good shot. I thought like it is traveling to 6, but my bad. It didn't Jeet didn't time it properly. It was directly to the fielder, and it was a very good catch from the fielder. So the bowler was Pandula. He was bowling from the city, and now like he's bowling from this forest end. So he's going good. Malli आजा यार मैं पैर
ਭਾਜੀ ਆ ਬੰਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਸ਼ਾਟ
ਪਰ 100 ਬਣਦਾ ਸੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਯਾਰ
ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਨੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ
ਦਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ 9 ਰਨ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਬੋਲ ਕੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ
ਡੈਡੀਕੇਟਰ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਬਟ ਦੈਟ ਡਸਨਟ ਮੈਟਰ
जीत भाई मैं पैडअप कर रहा हूं
कर
को पवन बाजी गए ना ओया किਵੇਂ चले गए ओए वापस दो ओ अक्षय कौन याद आया आशीष
यार स्कोर 210 220 है जाना 220 भी कौन से बहुत बड़ी गल है
यार 240 में दिख रहा था
आराम से होगा यार वाई आर वेरी वेट अ सेकंड
के पास तो क्या खड़े हैं
नहीं
अंदर से
सारे दोनों बैट्समैन में अंदर स्कोर रोकना मल्ली नु वही क्या मैं क्या मल्ली थोड़ा रुक जा सारी खेड के जानी है
That was a very good partnership between Jeet and Ashish.
फिर आउट हो गया है
Pandula. That was a quick fall of wicket from Fjord. They were really going good. At times it was the target was that was a very good run within the wicket. Took 3 runs. We've seen Pawan Paji is a very good runner within the wickets.
कॉन्फिडेंस पहली बार रन आउट हुए
पिछले मैच ही कॉन्फिडेंस करके
पूरे कॉन्फिडेंस रन आउट हुए बैट के बनते
ओए होए
Well played between the gullies. The point Pavanji took one single. The score moves to 200. Yeah, they have got a very good batting lineup. They chased 192 easily against Fjord in the last match. So Fjord has to score a minimum of that was a quick single between the wicket. Raj was very proactive and Pavanji was ready for that. They have to take singles now, and if they get any loose ball then they have to hit the boundary, but they cannot miss any single now. The score moves to score क्या हुआ?
You need to make sure that
That was a very good shot towards long off. Pavanji got 1 run. That is the end of the over. The score is 202 for 27 over. 201, pardon me.
फिर ਇਹ ਬੋਲਰਾਂ ਤੇ ਕਸੂਰ ਕੱਢ ਦੇ ਕੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਛਿੱਕੇ ਪੈਂਦੇ
ਇਹਦਾ ਵੀ ਬੀਨ ਵਾਲਾ ਹਾਲ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਤਬੀਅਤ ਠੀਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਇਹ ਕੀ ਤਬੀਅਤ ਠੀਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਇਹਦਾ ਵੀ ਬੀਨ ਵਾਲਾ ਹਾਲ
आज मन नहीं था आज मन नहीं था
आज मन नहीं था भैया
जीत भाई
भाई भैया तबीयत ठीक नहीं थी तो मैं तबीयत ठीक इसके बाद ना स्कोर लगाओ यार
The score is 201 for 6.
तो रमन बाजी पैडअप हो गया कि नहीं हां रमन सही खेल के गल्ला बहुत करे बाहर बोलदा बहुत ने कुछ करेगा विक्रम एंड पवन पाजी रमन पाजी और विक्रम तेरी बारी कहीं लगी बैठ रहा है खड़े पानी गया
Oh, that was a good ball. Length ball came to
26
कितने ओवर खत्म हुए
सुन लो अगर पवन पाजी आउट होता रमन पाजी राज आउट होता तो विक्रम एंड
26 over.
स्कोर अपडेट कर दो इधर.
शाबाश शाबाश.
And the follow wicket, Raj got out to runner. That was not needed at this point because the ball was